it'll be. It's an X. That's the clue. We need to find an X. It's an X. Here is our treasure. A picnic.
Hello, Joe.
Hi, Aisling.
Did you find the picnic I made for you?
You made this?
Yes. You've been working very hard, and you deserve a nice picnic.
Thank you.
Hello, Joe.
Ah, hello, Donald.
Okay, so Joe, it's just through here. Come on.
Look at it.
Joe. Joe! What's going on? Come on!
The smell of baking. I'm a really good baker. There you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm Ella. Julie says hello.
We're gonna find some butter. Joe? We need butter.
Ah, my second delivery. Wait, here.
Where has he gone now? Thank you, Joe, but not a cow. We need butter. Cows make milk.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. So we have to put it into little pieces, and then you're gonna try some? All in. Mix and mix and mix. Isn't it good? Joe, we need some eggs.
Wait here.
Takes a bit of time, but then you get really tasty scones. What are you doing? We've got eggs everywhere. Look at all these eggs.
There you are, Ozzy. I'm making scones. They're great. It's time to eat. I know. Let's make a cake. Cake. What do we need to make a cake? Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Scoop a little bit of butter in there. Okay, I think we need some chocolate for the cake. And we need another egg in there as well. What? Will you pour some milk in there for me? Only a little bit, small. Oh, this is my granny's recipe. Your granny is gonna love this.
Is that the pizza? But it's a ball.
It's not ready.
What do we do?
We have to roll the ball.
No.
Now, can we cook the pizza?
No.
Aww.
Let's love sign. Cook. Cook. You sign. Cook. Good. Cook.
Cheese.
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 That's not the right cheese.
Don't worry. I know just what to do.
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Put it in the middle. Here, you get your cheese. Do you like that? What's the cheese taste like? What happened to my pizza? Now we have to cook the pizza.
Todd, we need a box for the pizza.
Dad.
My last delivery. This is for Aisling. A box.